Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Skype notifications are not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select notifications. Okay, and click on it, and then you will see a lot of apps here. One of these apps must be Skype if it is present. If since it's not present on my system, I will show it for a different application. Just make sure that the switch is on. Okay, and other than this, make sure that the general switch for notifications is on, and this switch for do not disturb should be off. And as for the focus session, there should be no focus session at this point of time. These are the only things required to make sure that Skype notifications are working on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.